Is there free Amazon FBA software available? Yes, there is free Amazon FBA software available for sellers who want to start optimizing their store without spending money upfront. One of the most trusted and popular tools offering a free plan is Helium 10. Its free version allows you to explore essential FBA tools that help you research profitable products, find high-ranking keywords, and analyze listings. This makes it perfect for beginners who are just learning how to navigate the Amazon marketplace. The free version of Helium 10 gives sellers access to tools like Black Box for product research, X-Ray, a Chrome extension for analyzing product data directly on Amazon, and Cerebro for keyword insights. These tools help sellers understand what's trending, which products are profitable, and how to optimize their listings for maximum visibility. Although the free plan has usage limits, it's an excellent starting point to test strategies and get familiar with the FBA system. In real-world use, thousands of sellers rely on Helium 10's free plan to validate product ideas and build data-driven listings before upgrading to paid plans. By combining free access with Amazon's own seller tools, new entrepreneurs can make smart, informed decisions without taking financial risks. Helium 10's ecosystem has become a trusted starting point for many successful FBA businesses worldwide. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business like a pro.